Alright guys, it's time for part 3 of Back to the Basics. Let's flat twist. Hello everyone, and once again welcome back to my channel, Simply Sharnae, where it's simply me being me. And today I'm going to show you guys how to flat twist, and this is part 3 of my series Back to the Basics, where I take you guys back to the basics and give you the key fundamental things you need to do your natural hair. So without further ado, let's get started. I don't want to hold you guys too long, and also if you're not subscribed, go ahead and do that, because you don't want to miss my next video when I teach you guys how to single braid, plait, whatever you want to call it. So let's get into the tutorial. Alright guys, welcome back to my second tutorial. Hello. And I just wanted to start by showing you what I use. So I have my wide tooth comb, my flat tooth, some avocado oil and tea tree oil, and then my spray bottle, of course, and then the Shea Moisture Curl Stretch Pudding. But all this stuff is already in my hair because I actually recorded that twisting video seconds before this one. So I'm gonna go ahead and take down my first section, and I'm just gonna part it into two so I can show you guys, how I do the flat twist. At least, 2 times, but 3. But the third time is gonna be something different. So I'm gonna first use my rat tail comb, and then I'm going to separate this section into 2. And yeah, you guys can just see me do that right now. And then once I do that, I'm gonna go ahead and pin that second section out of the way, just so it doesn't get in the way as I'm twisting my hair. And then once I do that, I'm just gonna run my fingers through it in the comb just to get it nice and detangled. And like I said before, my hair is moisturized because I had just moisturized it for that video. And then I also like to get that rat tail comb just to comb my edges out in the beginning. Then next, to start the twist, you're going to separate a small section at the top, as you see me doing right here, and then you're going to split that little section into 2. And just like you would start a normal twist, crossing the tube to get over each other, you're going to do that and twist them. But as you go down with the twist, you're going to start grabbing little pieces of hair and bringing it into the twist. I hope you guys can see what I'm doing right here. Yeah, so basically you just keep on adding little pieces of hair at the same time, making sure you grab them well. I'm going to turn my head in a little bit so you guys can get a better view. If it's not this twist, it's going to be on the next one. Yep, and then as you get towards the back, you just keep on adding those little pieces, and then once you've added all the pieces for your row, you're going to just keep on 2-strand twisting like you learned in my last video. And if you don't know how to 2-strand twist, you can go ahead and watch that video and then come back to this one so you can learn how to flat twist. And then once you get to the end of your braid, you just keep twisting and twisting. And if your hair wasn't already moisturized, you can just add more product. And then I also like to finish the braid just to comb my edges again, because sometimes the sections aren't always even, and that just helps to even it out. So then I'm going to show you guys another time using the same method. If you notice, when I'm twisting the hair away from my head. So I don't know what the name of this twist is, but yeah, I just want to call it, me twisting away from my head. And when I show you my third twist, flat twist, I'm going to show you twisting towards my head, just so you know what happens whenever you position your hands different ways, because I know oftentimes people don't know why things happen. So I just thought it'd be cool to show you guys both ways, so that when you come across this situation, you'll be prepared and you won't be freaking out, So slowly I'm just adding little pieces of sections as I twist down the hair. And of course, whenever you first start this, you're going to want to go slow so you can, make sure you're grabbing them nice and smoothly. And then as you're pinching the sections, it's like you're twisting like normal, but you just keep on adding mini sections as you go down. And you can see the twist on my head. And yeah, you just keep on going and going, adding little miniature sections at a time. And yeah, it's pretty simple. It's definitely way easier than doing a braid on your head. I think this is a great things for people who are just learning to do their hair to learn how to do first, because it looks good and it's also easy to do. So like I said, you're just going to go ahead and just 2-strand twist once you get to the end of the section, and you see me adding more product here because I felt like I needed it. And you're just going to keep on 2-strand twisting all the way to the end of your hair, and then you'll have another completed flat twist. Alright, now that I have 2 completed flat twists, I'm just going to show you guys what they look like. You could always just do a full section, but for the sake of this video, I wanted to show you guys 2 on this side, and then on the other side, I'm just going to take down this section and just make one big flat twist to show you what it looks like whenever you twist towards your head. So like how I started on the other video, other 2 flat twists, I'm going to take a small section on the top and split that section into 2. And instead of twisting away from my face, I'm going to twist my hair and bring it to the front, as you can see. It's just a different hand motion. So this gives the twist a different look. I personally like the ones whenever I twist away from my face, as I did on the other half of my head. But basically you just follow the same ideas, but instead of pinching little pieces and twisting them away, you just pinch little pieces and then you bring them towards your face, if that makes sense. It probably makes more sense just you guys watching what I'm doing, but as you can see, it kind of makes it look like the twist is sitting on my head. I don't know if that makes sense, but that's just the visual I get whenever I look at my hair whenever I was learning how to do a flat twist. But they're both very easy. You can just test both ways out and figure out which way looks best on your head. Yeah, so just keep going, keep pinching, adding the little pieces. Most of the time when I do this one, I think I only pinch the piece on the back piece of my hair, like the back section, and bring that twist section to the front, and then I grab a piece for the next section whenever it goes to the back, if that makes sense. I think you can see that as I'm twisting it. And then I just went through and combed my hair, and then I'm going to just 2-strand twist the end of this hair. Like you see how I messed up. I grabbed the rat tail comb. I was supposed to grab the wide tooth, but I quickly fixed that. And you're just gonna go ahead and 2-strand twist all the way down to the end of this flat twist, and I'm gonna go in with some extra products on the ends just to keep my ends looking good on the twist. That's how you get the nice finished look, I think. And also helps if I was to use this for a twist out. And then now that I finished twisting this last flat twist, this one that I just finished is whenever you twist towards your face, and on the other side, that's what it looks like whenever you twist away from your face. So I hope this video helps you guys, and just good luck on the next time you guys try. Alright guys, you've made it to the end of the tutorial, and if you haven't tried along with this video, go ahead and try flat twisting on your own today, or next time you try to do your hair. And as always, keep trying, keep going, keep growing. I just want to say thank you, obviously. I hope this added value to you, and you can use this in your styling of your hair, or maybe if you're trying to do someone else's hair. I hope this helps. And of course, like I always say, don't forget to be the best you, because there's only one person like you, and that is you. So simply be genuine, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.